What's up, guys? I'm gonna be doing sort of a nature walk, and yeah. So here's the start of it. We got these flowers here. My cat's in the background. Yep. We might be able to see some deer today, so yeah. Sorry if the sun is glaring a little bit. Kitty, you coming? Yeah, it's pretty nice out here. Come on. Hopefully you're the one that listens. He sort of sounds like he's the one that listens, but yeah. So this is where it all starts, right in here. You might be able to see some deer or something. So keep your eyes peeled for any movement or anything, or any noises or anything. And yeah. Oh my. You see anything? Come on, kitty. Anything in there? No, don't see anything. Maybe at the top of this hill we'll be able to see something. I have no clue. This is my first ever nature walk video. So if you guys like it, you guys should comment down below in the comment section if I should do some more of these. I finally figured out how for you guys to do comments. So yeah. Come on, kitty. Are you tired? I'll pick you up. He's just waiting there. Oh yeah, you can pick me up. Come on, little rascal. Little rascally rabbit. I'm gonna hold the camera in another hand. Okay, rascally rabbit. Here's some more of those yellow flowers. Tree. Pine tree. Come on. Over here, kitty. Is he actually? Meow. Come on, kitty. I don't want you to. Get out, grasshopper. It's just a big old fly, you turd. Come on. Okay. We're gonna see if we can see any deer in that field over there. The top of the ridge point up here, okay? Here's something? Oh, here's some stuff in there. There's like pokey stuff in there or something. I don't know. Okay. We're at the top of the ridge. It isn't very high. I don't see any deer in there. If you guys can, comment down below, because I don't see any. No, you are not leaving my arms. Okay, our nature walk is almost up. Oh, there's a bird. Look at it, guys. There's a bird. Do you see that thing? That tree in there. See that thing? It looked like a, did you guys see that bird? It looked like a, whatchamacallit, sort of looked like a cardinal. This cat's so tired, look at him. There's some, no. Yeah. And yeah, I think we're gonna start heading back, guys. Oh, there's a bird right there. See him in those bushes. See if we can get a little closer. It's okay, it's okay. Oh, you guys missed him. He's right in there. See him? I don't know if you guys can see him, but he is right in there, okay? So, like and subscribe. I hope you guys liked the video. Comment if I should do more of these nature walks. And see you guys next time. Bye.